Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lobby's Vlogs. Today we are gonna see how to prepare Hyderabadi chicken masala. Before that, those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Now take 1 kg chicken and add a cup of curd. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Now add 1.5 tablespoon chilli powder. Now add half a tablespoon garam masala. Now add 2 tablespoon coriander powder. Now add a quarter tablespoon turmeric powder. Now add 1 tablespoon salt. Now add half a cup of mint that has been thinly sliced. Now add half a cup of coriander that has been thinly sliced. Once all the ingredients are added, you need to mix it well and allow it to marinate for an hour. Now once the chicken is marinated, take a vessel and once it's hot, add oil and allow the oil to heat. Now once the oil is turned hot, add the onions and allow it to fry till it becomes golden brown. Now you can see that the onion is turned into golden brown, and you can add the chicken and allow it to cook. Now mix the chicken well and allow it to cook for some time. Now after the chicken is cooked for some time, you can actually add a little bit of water and allow it to cook. Now add 1 teaspoon chilli powder and mix it well. Now add a tablespoon tomato sauce and mix it well. Now add a little bit of coriander and the Hyderabadi chicken masala is ready to serve. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.